In this lesson, we do some further work on order of operations. Firstly, let's recall BIDMAS, where the B stands for brackets. Okay, we always do the brackets first. The I stands for indices. If we had 5 squared or 2 cubed, for example, that 2 and the 3, they're indices. The D and the M stand for division and multiplication. And finally, the A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's look at some examples now. The first one, we've got 3 plus 4 squared. So we've got an addition and an indice. Okay, let's see where they are on the list. There's the addition and there's the indice. So certainly we'll be concentrating on the indice first. So 4 squared is 16. So the question really is now 3 plus 16. And 3 plus 16, of course, is equal to 19. The next one we've got 3 plus 4 in brackets squared. So we've got some brackets there and also an indice. So looking at our list, there's the brackets, there's the indices, always brackets first. So 3 plus 4, of course, that's 7. So the question really is now 7 squared. And 7 squared means 7 times 7, of course, which equals 49. So the next one, 20 minus 2 times 3 squared. So we've got a subtraction, a multiplication, and an indice. We're going to do the indice first. So we're going to rewrite that whole question as 20 minus 2 times 9. And all we've done there is we've changed the 3 squared. We've rewritten as 9. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. What do we do first? We certainly do the multiplication first. So the 2 times 9, which puts brackets around that to indicate we're going to do that first. And 2 9s are 18. So now we're breaking it right down. We've got 20 minus 18, and that works out to be 2. All right, this looks very complicated, but we go through step by step. It's fairly straightforward, you'll find. We've got these big brackets here. We must do the brackets first. But inside the brackets, we've got another set of brackets. We must do those first. So we've got 20 minus 8. Well, that's 12, but then we divide by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, so that whole bracket became 4. So now we've got 10 times 4 squared. Let's write that down. 10 times 4 squared. And we've got a multiplication and a squared. We're going to do that squared first. So 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. So the question really is now 10 times 16. And when we multiply something by 10, we just put a 0 on the end. So 16 times 10 is going to be 160. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.